Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about Cardano. Before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the upcoming video. That could be time sensitive. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, as well as Patreon. For my Patreon member, I just posted a video about Tesla Secrets Part 2, and I already have Part 1, and I have a whole bunch of other videos as well. Should you get the coronavirus vaccine? And which gold and silver coin has high resale value? And which project is the next Tezos? If you're interested, you can join my Patreon group. So let's talk about Cardano. So Cardano, Shelley, the mainnet already launched on June 30th, and the user should be able to use the Cardano network or Shelley on July 7th. So you can start sending deposit the token to the Daedalus wallet and start staking. So it is available for staking on July 7th. So move your token out of the exchange to the Daedalus wallet. And if you follow my channel for quite some time, you probably already stake your token when the Shelley testnet launched last year. So I think it's very similar process to stake your token. And so basically last year, you basically move your token out of the exchange to your wallet, and I think you can move, and then you can do it. You can send it to the test wallet, and also you can start staking as well. But that was already finished. So anyway, so this is a very similar process as well, and the mainnet already launched, and then July 7 is available for staking. So make sure you transfer your token, the ADA token, out of the exchange to the Daedalus wallet to start earning reward. And of course, there's a lot of announcement. And the huge announcement is, of course, Cardano will be available on Coinbase staking in Q4. So right now, Cardano is not listed on Coinbase yet. So if Coinbase is going to support the ADA or Cardano staking, then that means Cardano is going to be listed on Coinbase eventually probably in the next few months. So anytime if a coin listed on Coinbase is going to have a huge pump. So not a financial advice, use your due diligence. And so you guys decide, okay? Anyway, and you can start using the staking on July 7th, but the reward will be distributed on August 18th. So this is the part of the plan. You can see Shelley Coinbase release on June 30th, and then you have a share, and then they're going to have a hard fork on July 29, and then the first staking reward is going to be in August 18th. So July 7, move your token out and then start earning a reward. And of course, they are going to have 20 million investment. I think they partner with another. So they are going to open a 20 million Cardano development fund as well, which is cool. They have a huge announcement in the Shelley Virtual Summit, and LHK they basically announced about the 20 million investment fund. LHK basically partnered with Wave Financial Group, set up the development fund, total 20 million. And another thing is the Epidemics, which is they talk about they're going to introduce Epidemics, which is a decentralized identity system. The purpose for doing that is to ban the unbanked. So especially in the third world country, they have a lot of people who don't have a bank account. But right now, nowadays, who need a bank account? All you need is a cell phone and a QR code. You can start making payment. And people can pay you in Bitcoin or in other currency. And then your wallet is in your cell phone. So I don't think in the future you even need a bank account. So, so they're going to have so they're going to do the identity system as well. This is a new thing. And of course, this is paving the way for the DeFi, the decentralized finance, to bank the unbanked, right? So after you have the decentralized identity, they can utilize the decentralized finance. And basically, you can do a peer-to-peer loan. You don't have to go through the middleman in a bank. You can get a loan from another user in the ADA network. So basically, this is, DeFi, decentralized finance, in terms of in terms of the forefront, of course, is Ethereum. Ethereum is the forefront of the decentralized finance. Everybody right now is jumping on the bandwagon. Everybody, Tezos and a whole bunch of other projects as well. And so this is the big thing. So we'll see. There's a lot of competitions coming up, right? And hopefully Cardano can move more, like their progress should be a little bit faster. Otherwise, you will fall behind, especially for decentralized finance, because Ethereum is already forefront already. They have tons and tons of product. They have compound, they have synthetic, they have a whole bunch of lending platform on Ethereum already. So I think Cardano in terms of decentralized finance is a little bit behind, but in terms of to bank the unbanked, this is a good thing, right? So hopefully they can make use of this, and this will be changing the way how we do business in the next decade, basically. And then they also announced Project Catalyst. It's a decentralized treasury fund for the holders on the of the platform. So basically, people can vote which project they want to be on the platform. That is good. If you're a token holder, you can voting on which project. And right now, they are doing the Project Catalyst rollout. They basically, this is the first phase. They call Catalyst 0, Catalyst whatever, and then they call for proposal, and that will be announced in later in July. I mean, I would rather they focus on the business sector or education or enterprise sector. Those things will be big money in the future. And instead of just focus on gambling. Of course, gambling is also big money, but the thing is people don't take your project seriously if you just focus on gambling stuff. And especially Wall Street, right? But anyway, I don't want Wall Street to come in anyway. So also they will so they also have a 20 million development fund as well. And so this is what's going on with Cardano at this time, and Cardano currently is trading around, I think, 9 cents or something like that. And at one point back in 2017, it pumped all the way to $1, and the chart doesn't look good at all. But anyway, buy the rumor, sell the news, basically. And if you go to the Cardano website, they talk about the decentralized identity. In terms of in education, you can utilize the italic prims, which is a credentials, just to verify your credentials, whether you know all these things, like instead of using third party. And then your academic achievement, retail, in terms of counterfeit product, counterfeit, a lot of counterfeit products in retail actually. And agriculture, counterfeit, also a counterfeit product as well. You can supply chain. You basically want to trace everything from the farmers to the supermarket and everything. Those are important things as well. You don't want to have something got temper in between. And in terms of government, basically is verify the right now, I think in terms of the credentials and stuff like that, they utilize a third party to verify all these things. I mean, if you go to work in government agency or whatever, they have a third party to, I don't think it's a third party, I think they use contractor to verify your identity and all that thing, especially if you work for the government. And finance, of course, that is if you, I mean, you have a decentralized identity, basically to bank the unbanked, and as well as get access to the peer-to-peer loan and all these things. Healthcare, counterfeit medication, as well as medical record, all that jazz. I mean, this is a huge project. There's so many different sectors. It's a huge sector. The thing is, I don't know if you're so diversified with every single sector. I don't know if you can deploy all this. Do you have the manpower to deploy all this? I mean, I think we should be more focused. But anyway, maybe just focus on the decentralized finance first, or before you jumping into the bandwagon to the healthcare, to retail, to, I mean, there's too many stuff going on. And of course, Cardano, everybody anticipate a pump or whatever. But the thing is, I think they're too slow in development. This is just my personal opinion. if they can speed up the development, that will be even better. But regardless, if Cardano is going to list on Coinbase, it's going to have a pump anyway. And in the next bull run, I think this is a good story to sell too, right? That's my take on it. This is a good story to tell and a good story to sell as well. And this is my take on Cardano. And in terms of development, I don't see any projects on the Cardano platform yet. And you know what? I think last year there's a whole bunch of projects they want to be on Cardano, but Cardano has been delayed. All this project moved out of Cardano platform. I think some moved to Tezos and some moved to Ethereum. I don't know. If they are developed faster, those projects could have stayed in Cardano blockchain. So we'll see. I hope that their progress is should speed up a little bit, not so slow. I mean, right now it's very slow compared to Ethereum. Ethereum is pretty fast in terms of development. I don't know if because of the code base, the Husky, they use the Husky programming on that. I don't know if this will be more difficult for them to write than Ethereum, stuff like that. I'm not sure. So let me know what you think about Cardano project, and are you on Cardano? Are you on the Cardano bandwagon? Let me know what you think about this project. I would love to hear from you. And of course, if you haven't installed the Brave browser, you can click the link below and install the Brave browser. And because you can surf the internet much faster, you can save me 44 minutes and then block out advertising as well. And I don't like to be traced by Google, but yeah, that's true. Anyway, let me know what you think about all this. I would love to hear from you. If you find this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the upcoming video that could be time sensitive, just like this one. You want to start staking on July 7 and start earning reward. The payout will be on August 18 or something like that. The payout will be August 18. Yeah, so better you start staking and start earning. Okay, don't leave it on the exchange. If you don't hold your private key, it's not your token. Any exchange could go under. Anything could happen in crypto. So smash the like button, subscribe, share with your friends, hit the notification bell because some of the video could be time sensitive as well. And make sure you comment, so that will help my ranking in YouTube, and I will continue to provide quality video for you guys. If you find this video helpful, smash like, subscribe. And also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, as well as Patreon. Remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not your financial advisor. Investing in cryptocurrency, stock market, commodity can have inherent risk. Please use your due diligence. And I'm not responsible for any loss because of this video or future videos or previous video. And this video is only for entertainment and informational purpose, not a financial advice. Please consult your financial planner. Peace out.